Solarflare Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Solarflare Wallet app is quickly becoming a favorite among crypto enthusiasts who want speed, security, and easy access to DeFi. But what makes it stand out, and what should you watch out for? Let's break it down. Starting with the pros, Solarflare is designed around the Flare network, a next-generation blockchain that connects smart contracts to assets on chains like Bitcoin and XR. This means the wallet gives users access to cross-chain DeFi, something most wallets still struggle with. One of the biggest advantages of Solarflare is its simplicity. The interface is fast, intuitive, and perfect for managing, staking, and swapping tokens. You can also earn rewards directly from the wallet by providing liquidity or participating in yield farming pools, all without leaving the app. Security-wise, Solarflare keeps things tight. It's non-custodial, meaning you hold your private keys and maintain full ownership of your assets. It also integrates seamlessly with Ledger hardware wallets, giving you an extra layer of protection for long-term storage. Another major plus is speed. Thanks to the efficiency of the Flare network, transactions process faster and cheaper than those on Ethereum, a huge relief for users tired of high gas fees. Now for the cons. The main issue is limited ecosystem adoption. While the Flare network is growing, it still doesn't have the massive DeFi or NEFT ecosystem of giants like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. That means fewer apps, fewer tokens, and slightly less liquidity overall. Another drawback is that, since it's relatively new, there's still less third-party integration and fewer tutorials or community tools available. In summary, the Solarflare Wallet app is sleek, fast, and innovative, a hidden gem for early adopters who believe in the future of cross-chain DeFi. But if you rely on major networks with broad ecosystem support, you might find it a bit limited, for now. The technology behind it, however, could make Solarflare a name to watch in the next big wave of blockchain innovation.